In fact, I am really grateful to you for hosting this session for the third time. And every time I'm getting a lot of support from the people across the globe just because of you. Today, I'll be talking about Art of Remembering version 3. In this class, I'll be talking only about numbers and how to remember names. Why we need to remember how to remember names and how to remember numbers. This is the thing that you are going to learn today. And why there is a need to remember names, individual names, scientific names, places, terminologies, because every day we are encountering a lot of people, we are seeing so many people, and we need to remember names, because once the sweetest part in one's person's life is their name. Not only that, we need to remember the places, its individual names, scientific names, even the medical terminologies we need to remember. So the more amount of memory relates to, the higher the success rate. So with this view, we are going to learn this how to remember names and also how to remember scientific names. Here I'll be telling some of the techniques, and you can form your own technology, your own technique for remembering these names. For example, when you remember, when you see a person, first of all, when you're meeting a person, repeat the name, repeat his name at the earliest. So when you are meeting a person, he is telling his name. Hello, Mr. Ramasamy, how are you? Immediately you repeat their name, and you can create the distinct feature of that personality. Even you can say, oh, you are from that place. You can tell that, use that name, and you can use this name as often as possible during the conversation. You can also remember this face of the person, and you can see the some of the association, and you can repeat the name as often as possible during the conversation. So you can associate the facial features when you meet him again. Even sometimes, even you can break it the name into small pieces and visualize his images. Just like this, you can remember, and is with little practice you can do wonders. Why we need to remember such things mean, because mind can remember in the form of pictures and sounds only, and not letters. Suppose if you say elephant, you can remember a picture, you can remember a picture, but if you say 542, you cannot remember anything. So visualization and association, recall, you can recall any name, any number. That is the key takeaway from this. For example, father of the computer is the Charles Babbage, because many people will be wondering how to remember Charles Babbage. So imagine the computer. You have a charu. Charu means in South India it is called rasam, and charu less cabbage. So charu less cabbage, Charles cabbage, and Charles Babbage you can convert. So this name you can easily remember. Next comes Mount Everest. Is the first person who submitted Mount Everest is Sir Edmund Hillary. The person who climbs hill, we can name it as Hillary. So the Mount Everest, we can say Hillary, Sir Edmund Hillary. Next comes the tomato contains two important chemicals called lycopene and carotenoids. Here you can remember a car containing tomatoes. There you have 10 ID cards and lies their plan. So car 10 ID cards, carotenoids, and lifespan lycopene in car. So tomato contains carotenoids and lycopenes. Like that, you can, for example, a type of magnets. We have a horseshoe magnet, bar magnet, a ring magnet, everything. How to remember this order? A horse is wearing a shoe and is going to a bar, drinking. After drinking, it moves around like a ring. You form a simple, funny story, and you can easily remember. For example, next one is the scientific name of the paddy is called Oryza sativa. So you can remember the Orissa is the state in India, and there every Saturday you don't eat rice. For example, it's a funny story. Rice in Orissa Saturday. So Orissa sativa. That in that way you can remember. Next comes dog. Dog in scientific name is Canis familiaris. So dog lives in kennel with family. So that we can call it as dog lives in kennel with family. Canis familiaris. Just like that you can remember easily. Next one is the corpus callosum, is the part of the brain which connects between two hemispheres. So you can remember in the like just like this. For example, car push calls someone. Car push calls someone. So you can car push call someone is callosum. So just like that you can remember corpus callosum. Next comes the important one is the phylloxera nullification. It remembers funny because phloxy nullification. You can remember in a simple way. You can break this biggest word into small pieces. Flask, nose, inhale, Philip, occasion. So the real meaning is habit of estimating something worthless. That is the real meaning. And you can say the flask nosinilification. So in this way, you can remember even the biggest words. Even still, you have the biggest word, supercalcifragilistic expelliariosis. How we can remember? You can cut this into small pieces. Supercalifragilisticexpialidiosus. You can remember this word into making some funny stories. Superman calls frog lipstick of expired doses. So the real meaning is to say when you don't know what to say. The supercalifragilisticexpialidiosus. Just like that, you can remember. And even one more biggest word is the pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanosis. So this is the way, one of the biggest word. The pneumono, you break it into small pieces, understandable format. Pneumono ultra microscopic silicovolcanosis. But you can create a funny story for this. For example, human being numerous ultra microscope silk volcano cone of ash. So you combine everything, you can recite in a simple fastest way, pneumono ultra microscopic silicovolcanosis. Just like this, you can remember the biggest words too. And this is the longest name in the world in the New Zealand. And Tamata, Waka, Tangi, Hanga, Nako, Automata, Yurik, Baka, Kapi, Bango, Haro, Noki, and Kaikawata, Kitanaka. This is the longest word, and even for that we have a simple method. If you are interested, we can talk about this in later. So just like this. Los Angeles is in the biggest city in USA, and the real name is El Pueblo do Nuestro Senora la Reina de Los Angeles de Pornicula. So this you can make it into small pieces. El Pueblo de Nuestro Senora la Reina de Los Angeles de Pornicula. You can convert this into a small simple sentence like live, babble, die, news, tree, scene, la, reina, die, Los Angeli, Los, die, puri, sine, code. You can form a simple story and you can remember this entire word.